The usage of content elements can be tracked for each individual element. Please note that it's only available online because the latest data will always be provided in that way. You can find those information in the metadata of each element. So either you access them directly in the content structure via the three-dot menu or in the detailed view of each respective element right here. You only need view access to the respective element in order to be able to see that. So in the metadata dialog, you can now switch to two different tabs, two new tabs. It's used in, so where is this presentation used, and what does it use in return? So first of all, used in, short loading time because it now checks for the most recent data. And now you can see here for a presentation, and this is used in one slide, so it's linked in one slide. So here you can see where the presentation was linked. Sessions won't show up for now. And for each respective element, here you only need view access. You can open up, for example, the full screen mode so you can see it a little better. You can see the title. You can see who updated it the last. And also, if there is the permission to do so, you can switch to the editing right here, or you can open up the metadata of the respective element. So you can see more details about where it's used. In return, you can also check what elements does this presentation, in this case, use. It uses 13 slides. In here, you can see it uses 13 slides. And right at the very bottom, again, options are the same. So again, you could switch to editing or anything. There is a notice. It is used or uses two further slides where I do not have access to, like the single slides. If I don't have permission to read that slide, I cannot show it here because I cannot, of course, show the metadata or even access it to edit it. So that's it for presentations. The same would be available for templates. So for single templates like layouts or backgrounds, you can open up the same dialog again. So the metadata and where it's used in. In this case, it's used in 5 slides. Options are the same, and it uses 2 backgrounds. So here the backgrounds that are linked or allowed will show up. And it uses 2 files. One I have access to, one I don't. Here, the dummy contents won't be displayed because it's just for dummy reasons. It's only for like logos, background images, and stuff like that. For media files, you also have the used in tab in the metadata. So you can see this is our logo, so it's used quite often in a lot of slides. Options are the same, and in 39 templates. It uses it's used in layouts as well as in backgrounds, and some templates I do not have access to. For media files, there is no uses because it's not really editable. Here you will find the download list if the feature for download tracking is activated. The last thing would be slides. The slides here you will find, and in the used in tab, you will find the presentations where the slide is used in. So again, same procedure. And in users, you can see, first of all, the links to like content. So links to slides, overlays, or presentations, and the templates that are used and the files that are used. Again, same data. So you can track your content usage now in the metadata, either accessed via the detailed view of each element, or of course, here in the content structure is also in the 3-dot menu, the metadata available where you can track it down right here.